On Friday, India and France announced that they will be jointly developing a combat aircraft engine. The move is being reported as a landmark decision on boosting the groundbreaking bilateral defense cooperation between the two nations. The announcement was made following bilateral talks between Prime Minister Narendra Modi and French President Emmanuel Macron. A roadmap for this joint development project will be prepared between the French aviation company Safran and Defense Research and Development Organization or DRDO before the end of this year. Both countries also support industrial cooperation for the motorization of heavy-lift helicopters under the Indian Multi-Role Helicopter or IMRH program with Safran helicopter engine. A statement said that to enable progress on the IMRH program, a shareholders' agreement between Hindustan Aeronautics Limited or HAL and Safran helicopter engine has been concluded for engine development. The statement further said that these ventures are in line with the spirit of trust that prevails between India and France in the sharing and joint development of critical components and technology building blocks based on the successful Indo-French experience in technology transfer. However, the statement did not mention the highly anticipated procurement of 26 Rafale M naval fighter jets. It just mentioned the timely delivery of the 36 Rafale fighter jets purchased by New Delhi for the Indian Air Force. At a joint press briefing, PM Modi said the defense ties have always been the basic pillar of bilateral relations between the two countries. He called it a symbol of mutual trust between the two countries. The Prime Minister stressed that France is an important partner in the Make in India and Atmanirbhar Bharat programs. PM Modi spoke about terrorism, saying that India and France are together in the fight against terrorism. He also said that two countries have agreed to launch India's Unified Payment Interface or UPI in France. The Prime Minister further announced that India would open a new consulate in the port town of Marseille.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.